Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. So today I will be teaching you how to create Streamgraph using Python. So we are in Python series now. Please, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, you can see we are growing. Please subscribe. You'll be learning a lot. Now we are in the series of Python. You'll be learning how to also I'll be putting up various courses on how to on machine learning, data science, and data analytics. So, but here I'll be doing everyday writing of codes on Python. Now it's just like a challenge. So today I'll be showing you how to use Python to create Streamgraph. So stick to it. Let's dive into it. Now the platform I'll be using is, or the tool I'll be using is Google Colab. So it's very easy. If you have not opened Google Colab, just type Google Colab on your browser, Colab, this is the spelling, and search for Google Colab, sign in, register, and all that. So you can also use Jupyter Notebook, but because of I don't want to start importing so many things or pipe installing so many things, so I'll be using Google Colab for this. So if you want to create Streamgraph in Python, in using Python, how do you do that? So first of all, we import this library called Matplotlib. So how does this spell? Matplotlib dot we import it dot pyplot as plt. Then we import what? We import another thing we import is NumPy array imports NumPy as np. Now let's run this. See, okay, it works. Now I'll be doing a full whole tutorial on NumPy array, which will be available this week on this channel. So if you want to learn something about NumPy array, some of these libraries used in Python for data science, for machine learning, so this is the right place for you to be. Now NumPy, our lesson on NumPy array will be coming soon this week, so expect it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's also continue what we are doing. Next thing is you assign variables. X is equals to, you have the NumPy dot line space. So we'll be using line space in bracket. We're having something like 0, comma, then you can see here you have your start, you have your array like floats, and you have your stop. So our start, we are starting from 0, and we have our array like floats, which is 10. Then our stop is what? 100. Now the next thing we need is what? You have to assign our y axis. So we have y1, which you assign it as np dot sign x, right? Okay, so we'll have our y2. It's like having x and y axis, but I'm using y, so our y2 will be equals to the same thing here, but we'll be making use of cos, right? Cos, then x, right? Then what's the next thing we have to do? We have to use this function plt to plot our graph. But now, which graph do we need? We have what we call the stack plots. The stack plots, okay. The stack plot graph. Then we assign our plots, our x. Then the next thing we'll do is what? We use y1 and y2, which is our second variable, right? Then another thing is that we have to assign the baseline of this graph. The baseline of it will be equals to what? Let's use, we hope will not, this is giving me error. Okay, y1, not yi. This is y1. Okay, we use wiggle. Then what's the title of this? Let's assign the title to it. What's the title of this graph? You know that is stream graph, right? Stream graph. So stream, let me start it with capital letter. Stream graph. That's what we want to achieve here. Stream graph. Sorry, we have to put it in a string. That's why it's giving us an error in a string. Stream graph. Then the next thing is to make sure it shows plc dot show. Hope this works out. Let's hit enter. Very good. You can see how our stream graph looks like. Now you can see you have matplotlib.pyplot.show. We have define show argument and all this. Now we can put this is semicolon. We can put this to remove all this right up. Are you seeing it? When you remove this and click enter, all these things will come out. It will start explaining the whole parameter and all that. So but to make it tidy, you just put semicolon is equal. So this is how to get our stream graph. You can see 0 to 10, right? You can see this is just our what, our stream, how to create our stream graph, which you can use to visualize your work and all that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share to your friends. I'll be doing this video every blessed day. I'll be posting this kind of videos every blessed day. Thank you and bye.